Are you tired of the hassle and the cost of pumping your septic tank? What if there was a simple solution? Discover the game-changing solution in Septic Tank Care, a simple yet revolutionary flushing trick tab that's redefining septic system maintenance. Developed by a team of 14 top scientists, this trick is changing the way we care for our septic systems. The secret? Septifix, a tiny, powerful 55-gram tab. Just flush one Septifix tab down your toilet each month. It's that simple. These organic Septifix tabs work wonders. They break down and eliminate all organic sludge, including natural oils, grease, and hydrocarbons. Say goodbye to backups, clogs, and even corrosion. And the best part? It eliminates all smells in just 3 days. Join over 21,374 septic tank owners who are already saving. With no need for regular pumping, you could save close to $500 a year. Imagine a septic system that runs smoothly, saving you thousands in the long run. Ready to revolutionize your septic tank care? Check out these Septifix tiny tabs today. Click the link in the pinned comment and the description of this video for more information and start saving on your septic system now. Don't wait. Make the smart choice for your septic tank now. With just one flush a month, you can enjoy a hassle-free, odor-free home. Try Septifix now